My name is ASU EKIYE, the Prince of the Niger Delta. And I just want to stop right by to send my warm compliments and felicitation to my brother and my friend, Apostle Johnson Suleman. Apostle is one of my best, most favorite pastors, not just in Nigeria, but in the world. I want you to know that you have come to a time in your life where the world will celebrate you for your great work. Apostle Johnson Suleman, I love you. I will continue to pray for you. And I want you to know that what is ahead of you is far greater than what is behind. I want to wish you a happy birthday and many more years of productive service to the kingdom. You are a man that is kingdom minded, and you will be an advancement to the kingdom. Happy birthday and many more in return.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.